Everyone, I'm Dr. Nalini. I'm an endocrinologist working at ESI Medical College, Bangalore. As a part of Endocrine Society of India initiative regarding creating awareness about endocrine disorders, we are here discussing myths revolving around diabetes. And I'm here to discuss a question you often asked is, if I'm started on insulin, does it mean that I have to take insulin for life? So this is not always true. Regarding this, I would like you to know regarding the types of diabetes. Two major types of diabetes, as we already know, is type 1 diabetes, where the pancreas doesn't produce insulin, and it's most often seen in children. And the other major type of diabetes is type 2 diabetes, which is most commonly seen in adults. And here the pancreas still produces insulin, but it doesn't act at the tissues. And other forms of diabetes includes gestational diabetes, which is a diabetes arising during pregnancy. So for some people, the oral agents do not work, and insulin is the only best way to keep the sugars under control. So for example, type 1 diabetes, where no insulin is produced, they have to rely on exogenous insulin, and this is the most natural way to keep their blood glucose levels under control. The most common type of diabetes which we see is type 2, but over here also we do give insulin transiently for few weeks. For example, like when a patient is newly diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, or has a blood glucose levels more than 300, or is having symptoms, insulin is the preferred agent for at least initial 2 to 4 weeks to bring the blood glucose levels under control, following which oral agents can be taken over. And similarly, other conditions like in type 2 diabetes, when they develop infections, be it urinary tract infections or respiratory tract infection or foot ulcers, insulin is the treatment of choice to keep the glycemia under control until the reinfection resolves, following which again the oral agents can be continued. And even in gestational diabetes mellitus, insulin is the treatment of choice. Hence, I urge you to consult your physician or endocrinologist, and don't be hesitant to start on insulin when needed. And stay healthy. Thank you.